The overall goal of this tutorial is to describe how transthoracic speckle tracking echocardiography is performed in a healthy volunteer.
This method can be used to quantitatively assess both segmental and global myocardial deformation. The main advantage of this technique is that it is more sensitive than conventional echocardiography, especially for the detection of subtle alterations. Detecting subclinical dysfunction in asymptomatic patients is one example of its incremental value in myocardial imaging.
Though this method is mainly utilized to measure left ventricular function, it can also be applied to assess the myocardial performance of the left atrium or the right heart.
Generally, individuals new to this method might struggle because it requires impeccable image quality. Furthermore, post-processing can be time-consuming at first.
Begin by acquiring an echocardiography device featuring speckle tracking technology, or STE, equipped with an adequate sector array tissue harmonic imaging transducer. Escort the subject into the testing room and connect them to a standard 3-lead electrocardiogram, or EKG. Then plug the EKG wires directly into the echocardiography device in order to synchronize echocardiographic motion images to electromechanical activity. Unfreeze the ultrasound image to start detecting the EKG signal. Ask the patient to lie on their left side with their left arm stretched above the head so that they are in a